our video agenda for today is to learn how to create assignments in OWLv2. This video will guide you through the steps of creating an assignment in OWLv2. To begin, click Assignments tab and then click Create Assignment. It's on the upper right side, and then it will open you to the types of assignments that you can create. So we'll choose activities, problems, and EOCs, or end of chapters. Then tick the blue button and then click continue. So you have to fill in the assignment name, and then you choose from the calendar widget when the assignment will be available, and you can also choose what time the assignment will be available. And then you click the calendar widget for the assignment due. Okay, you choose like June 25. So if you want the assignment to be an available same as due date, you can tick the blue button here. Okay, then click continue. So these are the available questions for biochemistry by Campbell. So first, you have to click the plus sign to drop down the available questions, or like you want to create assignment for chapter 1, 2, and 3. So there are available questions that will open. So you have to choose the level of difficulty, the gradability, the question, if it's non-algorithmically generated or algorithmically generated, then also the question type. So when you're done choosing like the level of difficulty, you click continue. So we have available questions on the left side. You can click that one if you want to preview. So you can see the preview down. Then if you want to include that specific question, you can click include selected, or if you want to click include all, you can do that. So when you're done choosing the questions, the available questions, you click continue. So there are available assignment options to choose from: the grading and the questions attempt limit and the resource availability. And you can choose also feedback during assignment, like showing of hints, if you want to show hints or not. If you want to show feedback, you can also see here feedback after assignment if you want that the overall assignment score be shown or not. Okay, so once you're done customizing the assignment options, you can click Save Changes. Okay, so the assignment has been created. And then if you want to preview as a student, you can click the blue ink here, Preview as Student. Okay, so you can click the Start Assignment now. Okay, so you can see, you can preview the assignment that you assign to your student. So if you want to create whatever assignments you need to support your teaching and to promote student learning in your course, just follow the steps that we did earlier. Then you want to choose test, mastery, so you can just follow the steps that I have shown earlier. So thank you for completing this video training for OWLv2.